Hey there! Running into the annoying failed to link account already associated with a different account error while firing up Fortnite? No problem. I'm here to guide you through the process of getting rid of that pesky error. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First things first, fire up your preferred web browser and head over to epicgames.com. Then locate and click on the profile icon. After that, punch in your account details and log into your account. Now click on the profile icon once more. Select account from the drop-down menu that appears. Following that, switch to the apps and accounts tab. Here, you'll find a list of all the accounts connected to your Fortnite account, such as Steam, Google, Xbox, or PlayStation Network. Click on the remove button under each of them. Check all the boxes that pop up and then hit the remove account button. And voila! The account is now unlinked from your Epic Games or Fortnite account. Repeat this process for all linked accounts, especially those that triggered the error. For example, if it's the Xbox causing issues, unlink the Xbox account. Once that's sorted, fire up the Epic Games launcher, click on the profile icon and select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. Log back into your account. Now you should be good to go and launch Fortnite without encountering that troublesome error. And there you have it. That's how you tackle the failed to link account already associated with a different account issue in Fortnite. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.